We're a 75-year-old company located in Montgomery, Alabama, specialized in direct mail, magazines, books. We've recently made the transition from an offset shop to an inkjet shop. It all started basically looking into inkjet, and through looking into inkjet, it led to different types of finishing. And for me, it was the perfect storm of ultra low interest rates. My equipment was aging out. My presses were 15, 17 years old. Obviously, you had labor issues with trying to get labor, and you wanted things to be easier to run. And I was the right age because I was going to be in it for a while, so it was the perfect time to re-up. And so it kind of started on the inkjet side, which led me to the finishing side, which in turn led me to standard. It was just too constraining trying to push everything through one machine. While it worked fine, trying to go back and forth a lot of days where we had to get book block work out or we had to get cut sheet work out versus we needed a stitch job out, it just became too constraining. So we split the lines with the Mark V on its own line, had a cut sheet line, and it just smooths out production. I'm practically like a demo center for them. So we have a BQ 470, we have a BQ 500, we have their HT 1000 cutter, we have a Mark V, we have the two Hunkler cut to stack lines, we have a rotary die cutter, we have a booklet maker, we have a couple of their smaller like folders and scores. We have a little bit of everything of theirs. And you know, it probably 2 years ago or so, I didn't have any standard equipment. And they've been a great partner in pulling all this together and helping me figure out what I needed to get. Yeah, I think the IceLink is a great idea. It's going to eventually link all Horizon equipment together, and you can use it. We're using it now to look at production stats, to go over with our bindery, use it for diagnosis. We had a problem with one of our machines not too long ago, and the standard Horizon guys were able to diagnose it through IceLink. Eventually, you're going to be able to compare your production to other people that have Horizon products. So I think the future is fantastic for IceLink. I'm really excited about it, and the more machines they can get it on, the better. Yeah, I think I've been 5 times. One time maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago. And then I think I know I've come probably 3 times in the last 2 years. And you know, if you just want to see what all they have to offer, they run in live work of ours. I was here about a year ago and looking at one piece of equipment, and I saw something else and said, why would anybody buy that? Well, now I'm back looking at that exact piece of equipment I was talking about a year ago and probably going to end up purchasing it. Yeah, I think they're partners with us. They're tied in with us. We've got all their equipment. We rely on them heavily. A lot of the stuff we do is time sensitive and quality, really high quality standards that we're measured against. And their equipment performs, and they stand behind their products. And you know, we're tied at the hip now, so we got to work with each other.